The reason I get fly is I've been Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love. Wake up and...
Hey everyone, Kevina here with Passport Snob, bringing you episode 16 of our Planning a Trip 101 series, where we will talk about travel etiquette. I'll be transparent, I only research travel etiquette and customs for my international travel. Living in the States for domestic travel, I just go with what I've experienced, and that primarily being in the North, they aren't as friendly as in the South, and it's more fast-paced, which none of this bothers me. So let's get into some travel etiquette we can all follow, whether domestic or international. Learn as much as you can about the place you're traveling to so you know what to expect. Remember, you're a visitor, so carry yourself accordingly. There are rules for a reason, so stick to them. Learn some of the language and lingo. This will go a long way and the locals will appreciate it. Be mindful when taking selfies. Be careful about who and or what you include in the background. For instance, taking a selfie while you're touring a concentration camp is not respecting what's happened there and to the people impacted. Second, a selfie stick is not welcome everywhere. In some countries, it can be seen as a weapon, and museums don't allow it as a rule. Be careful where you use it, and always keep the people around you in mind when you're trying to find the perfect angle. Mind your manners in restaurants. Food will be both interesting and different, and you might not like the taste, but always remember that it's the traditional food of the country you're visiting. Another thing to consider is that you're dressed appropriately. Be cognitive of the fact that certain styles of dress are frowned upon in certain countries and places. For instance, you can't go into a synagogue with bare shoulders and flip-flops. Keep controversial opinions to yourself. Not every country has the same liberty of speech as in the US or as the US attempts to portray. Learn how to greet people. Again, this ties into the language and lingo, and it also includes body movements. The locals will appreciate it. Lastly, tipping. In some countries, gratuity is expected. In others, it could be offensive. So learn what's customary in the place you plan to travel. Comment below some awkward or behaviors that you've seen that you questioned while you were out traveling. As always, I hope this was helpful and you can use some of it for your next trip. For more content on tips, tricks, reviews, and hacks, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Follow us on your social media platform of choice for cultural experiences and more.